In this chapter, we're going to be studying how to make decisions using if statements. We're going to start out in this first lesson by looking at the way we make comparisons, and that's using what are called the comparison or relational operators. So let's take a look at those. We're going to do it in this lesson in the interactive shell. So we'll start that first. So the first of the operators is the equals operator, or is equal to. And it's a very simple one. It's a double equal sign. You'll notice that we put two values on either side, so we call it a binary operator because it needs a left-hand side and a right-hand side. And so we compare two values to see if they're equal. So clearly 100 is equal to 100, so it returns true. So the relational operators return a Boolean value, either true or false. So for example, 100 equals 200 will return false. It works just as well with strings. Hello equals hello, returns true. Hello equals goodbye, equals false. And then finally, hello equals hello with a capital H returns false because these two strings are not exactly the same. So after equality, we have greater than, 100 greater than 1 returns true. A greater than B returns false because B is actually greater than A in what's called lexicographic order, as you see there. Then we have greater than or equal to, so 100 greater than or equal to 100 returns true. A greater than or equal to B returns false. Then we have less than, 100 less than 1 returns false. 0 less than 100 returns true. H less than H returns false. And A less than B returns true. Next is less than or equal to, so we have 1 less than or equal to 1 returns true. B less than or equal to C returns true. 100 less than or equal to 1 returns false. And then finally, we have not equal to. 100 not equal to 1 returns true. Hello not equal to hello returns false. So those are the relational operators, at least the ones that we'll be studying in this chapter. We have is equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and not equal to. And the thing we have to remember about the relational operators is they are binary operators, so they require two operands, and they return a Boolean value. So with that in mind, we're ready to move to the next lesson where we're going to be talking about ways to combine relational expressions. So for example, hello equals to hello is a relational expression. We have another set of operators called the logical or Boolean operators that allow us to combine two or more relational expressions and return a single Boolean value from those expressions. And we're going to look at those operators in the next lesson.